Hi, writers. Writers, the other day I was walking through the grocery store and I noticed something that I hadn't noticed before. There's an entire floral section. I ended up staying there for quite a while, smelling every flower, reading every label, appreciating every bouquet. Then I saw the florist put another bouquet together. I couldn't help but say to her, "Whoa, did you make all of these? They're beautiful. Your work is beautiful." And after that, I picked up a bouquet and I also decided to pick up some seeds too because I was so inspired at the beauty she created. I wanted to make a flower garden of my own. So, writers, when you're a change agent, you're not just looking for problems in the world, you're also looking for the things that make the world beautiful. Today, what I want to teach you is that writers look for beauty in the world. They look for the beauty in people, places, and ideas. Let me show you what I mean. So let's try this out by thinking of some of the people that we might appreciate but overlook. Who in our community is noteworthy? What's especially worthy of me and others noticing? All right, let me try it. Let me think about the people in my school community. There's the front office secretary. He's always there and always working hard. And then there's our school custodian. He's always working hard too. And then there's the school crossing guard. She is always there, keeping everybody safe and working hard. Do you see how I'm pushing myself to think of people who might be overlooked or might be taken for granted? Now, I'm sure that you were thinking of some people that have made an impact on your life. Maybe someone who goes out of their way to make things better or easier for someone else. You could list those people. You could list them by saying, everyone should appreciate such and such because maybe you could pause the video, try listing some people. Once you've listed, your list might look something like this. Once you've made your list, you can start writing your speech. Watch me choose a person from my list and then start writing a persuasive speech to get others to notice and appreciate that person too. I think I'll choose the crossing guard in my neighborhood. Her name is Miss Maisha. Watch how I write my speech, including some details and examples of why everyone should appreciate Miss Maisha. Let's read my writing together. Everyone should appreciate Miss Maisha, the crossing guard. Miss Maisha is wonderful because she keeps all of the students and families of our school safe. She's there every day before and after school. Also, Miss Maisha is friendly to everyone she meets. I could keep going and going and going about Miss Maisha and how wonderful she is. I'm glad I got started with this. I'll keep going later though. Now it's a time for you all to think about the people that you want everyone to appreciate. If you haven't already, drop some of those names into your notebook. Now you want to choose one of those people out loud right now. Say your opinion about that person and then list some reasons. After you think of your first reason, give details and say one more reason, and then another reason. And then you can share what you're thinking in your notebook. But first, practice what you're thinking out loud. You can even pause the video to give it a try. Writers, I'm going to send you off to do some writing. You could continue with the entry you've just begun practicing about the person who's noteworthy, or you could go back to listing not just people, but places or things or ideas that are noteworthy. If you do some listing, that's great, but you'll want to make sure you save some time to do some writing about what's noteworthy today as well. Remember, this is just one strategy that you could be writing to write, that you could be using to write persuasively. Don't forget about all the other strategies that we know that we can use to change the world. Writers, off you go.